Nze lujja tuli ku Carlton nyongero babu zaako n'embebaza okubanga mugobera program zaffe ez'enjawulo. Nabagamba nti tuteetuukirira families mu mbeera nga waliwo ebitali tambula bulungi, waliwo obuyambi olusi babasaba. N'olwaleero tuzze okulaba ku family eno nga of course erina okusomozebwa wano ne wali bayina bebi omuto naye nga bebi ono alina obuzibu ku mutima. Omutima ku saidi y'omutima wotunula waliwo ekinnya ekyajjawo era nga bagezezzaako okugenda mu malwaliro mangi nnyo ag'enjawulo naye nga sofa we baakoma emulago baali bamaze obalifaalinga mu India era nga kye beetaaga ze ssente kye beetaaga kwe kufuna miliyoni 4 eza Uganda okulaba ng'omwana ono ajjanjabibwa. Mu mbeera bweti tuzze okwera tusharinga wamu nabo nga tujja tubagamba nti platform eno tesosola mawanga, tesosola madini, buli Munnayuganda emukwatako. Bagenda kuba batubuulira in the first place amanya gaabwe, then still wetugenda okubeera nga tutandika batubuulire ebikwata ku mwana n'embeera engeri gye yagisangamu. Ate still mam agenda kubeera nga atubuulira embeera omwana gy'ayitamu in daily life cause wekiri tumulaba alina obukosefu but still life goes on. So wetugenda okuba tusharingira wano ate era mwongere n'okubeera nga ate mubasupportinga mu mbeera gye bagenda okuba nga bawa enamba zaabwe omusobola okubeera nga mubareachinga tubeere nga tukwataganyamu okulaba nti kye bayita ekizibu ate Katonda asaasira nga nammwe muyamba okulaba nga tekiggwawo. So tata wabana nsanyusa okulaba.
Nsanyusa okulaba Kasebo. Webale okujja waffe wano lwaleero okutukyalirako naye lwaleero tusi mu ssanyu mu buzibu. Singa waze mu ssanyu twanyiza nnyo okusingako wano Essebo.
Newunyiza nti omanyi Oluganda.
Nze Essebo eno ggwanga yaffe Uganda olina kuyiiya olina kuba nti oli muntu w'abantu buli kimu olina kwekwatiramu kuyingiramu. Essebo.
So what's your name?
My name is Okumuhenure Orolu. I come from Germany, a place called Chesia. The challenge which has forced me to come to you here is I have a baby of 6 months, born on 27th of February this year. But when we got the blessings, the child presented a lot of complication that made us to always wonder, of all the children we have, this one is again different in all aspects of life. One, the child could oversweat up to now. The child can overcry. The child can...
From date of birth.
Yes. The child can overcry. The child breastfeeds. In less than 1 hour, the sweat comes out as if somebody has been for athletics. So in that process, in that time, we said maybe there is a problem with this child. We went to the Mission Health Center, the Health Center 3. They said, no, this child must be having a major problem. You go to the major hospital. So General Hospital in Germany, when we reached, they told us, this child, the way we are looking, he has a problem in the stomach. So let us do our part, but if we fail, we are going to refer you to Lacho. When we are in a German hospital, they referred us to Lacho. When we reached Lacho, after a referral, they told us this child needs vigorous tests for us to conclude what is the child all about or what is the child suffering from. Then in Lacho, they did all the tests for quite a while we were in Lacho, and they say this child needs to be referred to a heart institute. Now in the heart institute, we asked them that we don't know anybody in the heart institute. They said you have to go to government referral hospital, which is Mulago Referral Hospital, Heart Institute Department. Then when we reached in Mulago, those doctors also, they picked on from where Lacho practitioners stopped. Then when they also made their conclusion, they said your child has a hole and 2 arteries. One has a hole in the heart, and one of the artery from the heart is narrow, and one of the arteries from also the heart is bigger. So this child needs a double open heart surgery. What we can recommend to you right now is, 1, you choose the countries to go to. One country is USA, Germany, Germany, UK, and India. But preferably for the cost, if you are saying you are short of money, you can ask the emails of one of the hospitals in India. And that is what we did. But before we did that, we asked which kind of address are we going to use. Then they say there's a person or organization that can link you up. Then the organization was given to us, the contact. Then when we reached that organization, it's called Achedip, is based in Kagoma, is owned, or the director is called Mr. George Tambi. Then Mr. George Tambi welcomed us very well with the humble humility. Then we were also received and we said, thank you God for leading us to this place. Then Mr. Tambi told us that the only thing you have to do is you have to prepare how to take the child to India. We are going to help you, to direct you, and show you how to look for resources. This money in my organization may not raise, but I can assist you morally and in all other aspects. Be firm, the child will be operated, the child will receive help from all walks of life, from people from all walks of life where they are. When you go in, 1, publication, 2, media, 3, maybe TVs. So that's why we have come to you and we beg that maybe publication like this one can show us and present our cry. Like when they send us the email from India, they have said we want 13,000 US dollars. That is a priced estimate according to the doctor in India. So
Ugandan shillings?
In Ugandan shillings, we are estimating 40 million and maybe plus. In Muluganda,
So how far have you raised the money?
So since that time, we have moved around. Most of the friends and the relatives, they are saying, please, we are in a curfew, we are in a lockdown, there is corona. We cannot promise you right now, but hopefully next time when you are reporting back to us here, we can maybe get for you something. The little we got, it was when we went to book the TV. People contributed to us 100,000, and we were really grateful for those people who contributed for us that money. Up to now, major contribution has never come to us, but the money we have right now from other friends who gave us their heartfelt contribution has reached 250,000 shillings. Now, to me and my family, with my wife, we have come deeply in cry to you. Can you sell our cry to the public? Can you sell our cry to general public, whether they are abroad, whether they are in Uganda, whether they are where, and when they could watch us, maybe we are really depressed. My family of 5 children cannot raise this 40 million, and the child is an innocent angel. We say maybe an angel can be protected from major hands of the public. Come together with us to fight this killer, and come together with us to rescue the life of our baby who is 6 months. Is called Idri Solomon Stewart. Why we are coming to you is because we are unable to manage to solicit ourselves this money. If we are contributing this money alone, we cannot promise when will we get it. 1, because I was working in Kampala here, but my work was stopped in the first lockdown. Up to now, as a cashier, I know I've not got work, what to do right now.
What kind of job?
I was in a restaurant for a Central Indian company owned by Balaraju Mariagu. So I worked with that gentleman for quite a while, but when lockdown came, we have not been accessing any other work. My wife too is a nursery teacher. Since the first lockdown, she's at home. So we feel that this one alone has entered our income. Now that we are not earning anything anywhere, we are now at home. This sickness of this magnitude in price has come again to attack us. We are begging.
So no time limit for his operation?
They told us that when a child is operated or is not operated, we have to go back for review in November. So according to the doctor, he said, I recommend you to give this child an immediate and urgent surgery abroad. That's why we are now.
What was the doctor's report?
The doctor's report. The
From
doctor's report I can show you maybe. He has written on the 19th of August. So when he said, yes, 2021, so in his recommendation here, he said, we want an urgent and immediate surgery for this baby. So we find that this surgery may not be immediate as we are as a family, because right now we are not getting any other income. Yes.
So as a parent, do you have any hope?
My hope is in people who of goodwill. Like I normally watch news, I normally go on the platforms, I see how people are being helped. Like locally here in Uganda, I've seen Mama Fina come in to help people of problem of this challenge. Mama Fina, General Wiso, General Salim Musali, Mama Nabanja, the Prime Minister. I call upon you people, when you see this, we are in deep stress, we are deeply stressed. In my family, even if I work today, up to the end of the year, I may not raise 40 million. I call upon all the government institutions that can come in to rescue us, because the 40 million is not a small money, it's a huge amount of money. Me as a cashier, an accountant by training, I don't know when, if I would be working, if I could get 40 million in what space of time. And now, since the doctor recommended an urgent and immediate surgery, I beg people of all walks of life, come to me, come in for us to raise this money. I rescue the only toddler whom we have right now to get the treatment and surgery in the year.
Okay, so before we talk to the mom, kindly share your numbers.
My numbers, which we have suggested with my wife, that can receive a contribution or assistance from the friends and all well-wishers, is MTN number 0782 547340. Our alternative number also is 0758 994866. And also we suggested, since I had a bank account which was working, but up to now, since I don't deposit any money in it, it will be working when I receive a contribution for this baby. It is in Centenary Bank. A number is 3200140049. All these numbers are in the names of Okumu Henry Rolu, the father of the child, who is begging a humble assistance from all people of all walks of life. Either you are abroad in Uganda. I know people may not know that we are depressed, but when we come in this platform, we show you people that really people are depressed like me, whereby I cannot afford alone. But together we can help, and we join the hands, the child's health will be restored and rescued from the danger. Yes.
Let me introduce the mom. So, mom, please share with the public what's bothering your son.
My name is Akong Rosemary. I thank God for having brought this gentleman to our home today, and I really appreciate the work they are doing. We are from Ajumani, as my husband has already said. Here we are today requesting from help of any kind from anybody to help us raise the money to treat our child. Me as a mother, really, I'm psychologically tortured because in my life I did not expect, for sure I had not heard that maybe a child can also have a hole in the heart. It is my first time. But before me getting to know this disease, this child, I delivered him with 3.1 kilograms. He was almost reaching 5 months. He was still weighing 5 kilograms. The child can cry from evening up to midnight. He cries and sweats, and you even see when the muscles are out. We just carry like this during day, night. And even this hole, whenever I could bathe him, I also started seeing as a mother who's having children, because this is my 5th child. So I started asking doctors who are having clinic near us, "Hey doctor, what of this? Why is this child like this? This one, I did not see it in any of my children." So one doctor told me, "What you will do, go to the main hospital, Ajumani Children's Clinic. You explain to that doctor." When I reached there, the doctor had to put this, I don't know how they call it, that machine in this hole. In fact, he made me to undress the baby here in this hole. And even the heartbeat, if you just touch, he told me, "You man, you are right, and thank you for being observant. This child has a very big problem." But he didn't tell me, but according to me, I think he knew. Because he was like, "Let me pray for you. It should not be this bad one, which Uganda cannot treat." I asked him, "Which bad one are you talking of?" He brought out a chart from the drawer, having a heart, human heart. So as he was explaining to me that maybe during the formation, the heart did not form properly, so it can be having a hole, something like that. I said, for sure I was really surprised, and as if I was really a mad person. But he tried to console me, to talk to me. After that, he told me if you had money, you would go up to Lasho Hospital right now with this child. Now, since the first lockdown, our children, they were this side in Kampala. It was that very day and that very week when I was in the hospital when they traveled to Ajumani. We did not have money to go to Lasho. I went back home. For sure, I cried the whole night asking myself, me, I'm the person who's home. We are not working. My husband is not working. Really, God, really. Even though people talk of tests, this test is really beyond. Where will I begin from, and where shall we really end? After 1 week, we went to Lasho Hospital. Reaching there, they also examined the child, the whole part, and they said, now, what you're going to do, you have to go up to Mulago Heart Institute. For them, they have more machines than us, to really confirm that we have seen the child has a hole in the heart. That day, we did not go back to Ajumani. We slept there.
With the interest of time, just please share with us, how is his life on daily?
Actually, this boy doesn't beat down. He would be now sitting. He's already 6 months, but we are just carrying, as you are seeing. When I'm alone with him, I can't wash, I can't cook. No eating for sure.
Does he sweat?
Sweating is there, and when he's breastfeeding, you even find when milk comes from the mouth and he knows as if he's being forced to do what? He struggles. Yeah.
Okay, let's pray for you. So, Tata.
Yes, sir.
I think finally njagala sharing n'abantu mu Luganda as well. Abaganda bafatwa mu Luganda bakubiremu ekifaananyi ky'omwana engeri gy'asiibamu kimubatharinga nga tubawo ennamba y'essimu cause manyi abatulabo bategedde ekitawaanya omwana nti yeetaaga obuyambi.
Yes, sir. Nze Okumu Henry balamusiza Abannayuganda n'abatali Bannayuganda mwena gye muli. Nzize wano olwaleero w'omuganda wange ono nga ndinayo ekinsumba mu mutwe na mu mwoyo. Nayo omwana omuto mu myezi 6 kuva gye twamuzaala yatandika okutusumbuwa nnyo nga tulaba nti ku baana bonna gye twazadde enzadde gye tulina bonna ono yekka yakyasinze okusinga kutusumbuwa. Ne tugamba nti olunaku lumu tugendeyo mu ddwaliro enene tulabeko abasawo batugambeko batubulireko kiki omwana awakola bweti kikiba kibumusumbuwa akyatuyana atuyana nnyo akaaba nnyo n'okuyonka ayonkayo dakika ng'emu n'atuyana nnyo n'okumira amata gennyini gabadde ayonse guva mu nnyindo ne gakomawo. Kati ne tugamba nti abaana ngeri gye tubulinamu abaana balala ono yeka yakola alinamu eno sign ekisibu kino we twasalawo okugenda mu hospital enene ne batugamba nti ono omwana anayo ekizibu kyoba olaba aziira kati n'okutuyana kitegeeza munda muli mu mawugwe waliwo ekimukosa. Kati we twavaayo awo ne batusindika eggulu
ne
batugamba nti alina ekizibu alina ekituli mu mutima n'ekyo ekyokubiri emiswa ebiri egiva ku mutima ekigenda ku mabugwe emu engazi nnyo endala nfunda. Kyoba olaba omwana atuyana nnyo kyoba olaba omwana akaabakaaba nnyo omwana twetaaga operation kyetulina okugenda India. Kati mu India omusawo we India eddwaliro ye India n'atuweerezayo ebbaluwa n'agamba nti omwana ono engeri gy'alaba yeetaaga miliyoni 4 eza Uganda ze tuli mu kunoonya. Tulinayo 25,000 zokka za Uganda. Kati ffe tusaba obuyambi abantu mwena gye muli mpulidde nendaba buli lunaku oba buli ssaawa mbeerako ku mawulire tukubira abantu mwena Amannayuganda abali mu mikono ab'emyoyo emirungi mujje mutukwatiremu mututaase tusobole okuŋŋaanyako ku ssente zino tutwaleyo omwana waffe afune obujjanjabi India. Kati ssente ze basaba miliyoni 4 tetusobola ngaffe kubanga mukyala wange yali musomesa wa nasare naye saawa zino okuva mu lockdown yasooka paka lwaleero tanaba kuddamu ku ssomero nange naali nkola wano naye okuva mu lockdown yasooka si kyakola kubanga naali accountant mu restaurant emu paka lwaleero sinaba kuddayo ku mirimu. Bishop waffe Bishop Arnold Muwonge eyo gy'oli tuli wano tufukamidde mu linnya ya Mukama Katonda waffe tusaba otukwatiremuko tusobole okufunamu obujjanjabi ssente zino gye tusaba okutwala omwana India.
Yeyo famire gye tushalinze nayo olunaku olwaleero naye nga mbagamba nti nga bwe tujja tukikola mu mbeera y'okuyambako bannaffe kyonna ky'oyina bakwatireko. Olwaleero okusomozebwa kwa byonna kukyali awo naye nga ebintu bisigala nga buli kimu kyetaaga sapoti ya ssente of which ezitaliwo kuba otegedde nti n'emirimu gyabwe tebakola. Njabaddiramu ennamba zaabwe ez'essimu okuli 0782 54 73 40 namba ya MTN era ne wansi awo namba ezo tuzibateereddewo 0758 99 48 66 namba ya Airtel. Then balina account number mu Centenary Bank eya 3200 14 0049 account number weri wansi awo eya Centenary Bank. Then still ku screen kwe kuli n'ennamba z'essimu okuli ya MTN ne Airtel kosobola okubeera ng'ofuna omwami Okumu Henry Lolu mu mbeera eno ey'okulaba nga tumusupportinga kino kyalimu ate abeere nga akivuunuka mu mbeera efaananako bwetyo. So tugenda kuba nga tukoma wano naye nga basabe tubeere nga tutambulire wamu. Nsaba nga mujja mukikola mbayinamu okukkiriza nti ne famire eno mulina kye musobola okuba nga mugigattirako mu mbeera yonna nga we naaba efaananye. So tugenda kuba nga tubaerekereza tusaba Katonda abeere nammwe.
Are you interested in upgrading your sleeping and bathing experience? Then Ziwa & Sons is the right spot for you. We sell blankets, bed sheets, duvet covers, bed covers, mattress protectors, mosquito nets, wardrobe or closets, towels, bathrobes, pillows, traveling pillows, cushions, shoe rack, dyeing rack, and ironing boards. Buy all your favorite products online with comfort from your office and workplace, home, hostel at a go from our website www.ziwaansons.com and have it delivered to your doorstep. Call us on 0705 364 749. Ziwa and Sons, where comfort and luxury is a pleasure.